Hey guys, so this is Kailash Shani from Food Review Online. Today I'm going to talk about a cause which is really close to my heart, which is veganism. My friend Shamil Sethi actually turned vegan 4 years back. And when he was looking for products, vegan products, he couldn't find any. So what he did is that, he started collecting the products and started selling them at his own little store. And today they have more than 2,000 vegan products available at their store. So, if you're looking for something, this is the place to go for. Now, what makes this store different? I'm going to tell you about this. So guys, what Shami decided to do is to take things into the next level. He's got the products now. Now what he did is in 2019, he converted his little lawn area into a cafe. I have visited this place and it is really fantastic. In fact, he's converted his bedroom into a kitchen. He's so passionate about this. The food is so good that in fact it was also nominated for Times Food Award. They're currently rated on Zomato as 4.6 and Google 4.2. We are waiting for the food to come in. I thought let me share this trivia with you before we start off with the food delivery and experience. So guys, whenever you think of a vegan food, I'm sure there is a myth that you have in your head that it's going to be bland, it's going to be tasteless, and of course you might not even find your favorite cuisine in it. So let me change that for you. I have a vegan burger, I have a vegan pizza, I have a vegan Punjabi thali. Alright, in this I have biryani, I have lentils, I have seekh kebab, I have halwa, I have rogan gosh. These are all vegan, by the way. So I'm going to experience with all this with some lacha paratha and some green avocado smoothie. So, I'm going to share my experience with you. Let me know what you think about it. So let me tell you a secret. The first time that I tried a vegan burger was at Rare Earth Organic Cafe. And when I ordered, I was a little skeptical. I was like, burger kaun order karta hai vegan cafe mein? And he said, just try it and let me know if you find the difference. It's been so many years that I've tried this, and trust me, I'm telling you this, that I'm in love with this burger. So let's see now if that's changed, especially when it comes in a delivery. This is so yummy. Wish you could take a bite of this. This is 1,000 times better than the traditional burgers, the conventional burgers that you get. At least out here, you're not being cruel to animals and you're tasting some amazing healthy food. So next on our agenda is a vegan pizza. Of course, pizza is one of my favorite dishes to have. But vegan pizza, is something which kind of makes me feel less guilty about, having something which is not good for your, your body. So it's vegan pizza and it's got tons of vegetables in it. Let's see how it tastes. Wow. There's sun-dried tomato in this, which is giving that tangy taste. And the sauce is perfectly blended with the pizza. This is what I'm going to finish. This is my lunch for today, for sure. So the star attraction of our lunch today is this Punjabi thali. I was talking to Shami yesterday and I asked him how can this, be different to anything else? He said this has actually been a game changer for us. Because people who've been eating non-veg food, they would love certain taste, because of their palates being, suited to some kind of food. So therefore, to ask them to try vegan food is something that, they would think twice. So this Punjabi thali is actually an initiative towards that cause. Now, I turned vegetarian by choice. So I know really as to how, generally the food would taste like. So let's see how it tastes, if it really matches up to my memory of, the food that I remember. Very close to what I remember, and it tastes amazing as well. So I don't know about vegan or non-veg food, but this khana tastes amazing. That's for sure. So next on our agenda is a seekh kebab. It's been many years that I've eaten a non-veg seekh kebab, but to remember that taste would be a little challenge. I've eaten a lot of veg seekh kebabs, and this would be my first time that I'm trying a vegan seekh kebab. Let's see how it tastes. This tastes amazing. I think they've blended this along with some chutney. Mind blowing, boss. Nice. So finally, the biryani that I was waiting for. Let's hog that one. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, I know a lot of people who are a big fan of biryani would say that vegan biryani क्या होती है. ये try करके देखो. If I don't change your opinion, if I don't change your mind about the biryani that you've eaten and this one is the same, then you know what? I will never talk about vegan cause. This is fantastic. बहुत अच्छा. So guys, I just tried this keto spinach avocado green smoothie. This is so amazing. You have no idea. I'm getting the avocado pieces. Of course, it's full with all green spinach. Then I have sun-dried tomato. I have some chia seeds. It's one of the best smoothies that I have had in a long, long time. So if you're ordering from Rera, do not miss this one out. Okay? Cheers.